Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates are the new 2025-2026 Betway Premiership champions. 2022-2023, runners-up. 2023-2024, runners-up. 2024-2025, runners-up. But 2025-2026, they are the champions. And I've got a little note on my left hand pocket where this man standing right next to me said, Shane Ipale Pans. Mamelodi Sundowns are gonna win the Betway Premiership. Okay, and I kept it. Junior, how are you, my friend?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
My brother, without wasting
Yeah.
cut, congratulations. I don't think I need to say much.
Yeah.
Mailing and compliment, congratulations. I mean, a long season, Shane. Well done to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Well done to your team. Well done to Orlando Pirates. It's in Bulise Justice.
Yeah.
Bulise Shane. Bulise Ubobo.
Yeah.
Bonisu Benedict Sovilagas. Ebafetu Winjan, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Congratulations. I'm going to compliment scouting Orlando Pirates, honestly. I mean, Shane, school managing a season young. I mean, no mangabani winning Betway Premiership. Yes, beginning is Sundowns true.
Yeah.
Based on what I saw, looking all the game, consistency, experience, you understand, and but team of the season is Orlando Pirates. I think you were in terms of, I mean, Skulman home game win.
Yeah.
Even if you're playing away, how many full sold out tickets? So well done to Orlando Pirates. Medicine Kai Shane.
Yeah.
I mean, into the Angeng is against excuse. Well done to Orlando Pirates and Shai Zanta. I think well deserved. Medicine, yes. Being angithi football is a game of opinion.
Yeah.
Medicine Chelivar.
Yeah.
Shane came and I'm shy. School game and I'm shy. I think it's me and Shane. Begunama emotions.
Yeah.
Both. As it coming to this game, a big game of emotions. Let me put it that way. Well done to Orlando Pirates. It's me and Shane a bit nervous. I think which because of they were feeling the pressure. Ngobi game, honestly speaking, yonke. I'm players with especially Amateka, they were not themselves. As really, like I say, always Orlando Pirates. The top Orlando Pirates need the best of your today's game of the boy all the decision I une problem rise to the occasion and Leon today this is the player that we are hoping with the best number 10 to go to the World Cup. And it's a question mark. Mrem as well. We are at this going to the World Cup. Now, and I'm trying never to rise to the occasion. The Pirates, I think the way started the game, they needed I think the body language in Yabaniga today compared to last week. The body language. Well done to put pressure from the first whistle, from the wet go until the end. Because Manga Pegi came yonke. They never created clear cut chances. Ile pola le monga tolpega el chole umfuking nalo lela pola de wheelies ngakhona ulbhekeliza it came as a surprise. I think there was bengana like combination play until kula state. This is a surprise to the boy. I think umfana ngoba now smart. I think well done to I think upright to goalkeeper I was lucky. But now I check on Shane. Goal Orlando Pirates. First goal. A goalkeeper na gonna question mark.
We didn't score Junior today.
Yeah. Goalkeeper Shane the pola is as straight as a corner kick. Ang blame Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
I mean Pirates did everything they
I
could
hear
do
you.
because they were putting pressure. The reason goal there was a corner kick, and then the corner kick in swinger last 10 minutes. But the goalkeeper pola is a go shift and then will punch to the pole. I mean, there's nobody that is bullying you there. Basic. Abo goalkeeper like Kenyan Tokmede Bayas. When you sign in the form, registration form, you assign the primary job is to saver as a keeper, use your hands. Yes, modern football says they can play ngenyawo zabo, but now they forget the primary job. I saw Ronwen Williams, same thing. I think they tend to focus kudlala than playing. I mean, the boy umbonile, manga chika nje game yonke, goalkeeper bekadlalisa, mawuzosha amavala at the back. Ibola mabalithatha to you, end up to the pole, lepalini. So, well done to Orlando Pirates. I need to be honest. No manga ba ikoranga, maskhuluma nje iVAR. I think the body language, a sense of agency, they overload both sides. Ngikhuluma ngama-wing, both going forward. Just that obviously mina ngisazoyi-questiona indaba yale striker lesabacala ngaso Mbutuma. I don't think he was on the game. They couldn't find him even in today. Also Shane, going to game yonke. Nileke best midfielders today. I need to be honest. Well done to Challenge but you can't rely in him. The guy is stripping it all. Bebaleka abantu abazomanage the game. To be composed. Weight matters. I think you need it. Mhlambe kulabe ngachange game ngoba I ground namalo a 5-3. Kune build up, kune line in the midfield and then the last third. So you can't start in pace 1 and then you finish in pace 1. Pirates they needed to be composed a bit. The kuna moment whereby la, especially kula state kuma attacker, a police, Mfuking, this guy Mbutuma, mhlambe bongasho ukuthi
Tell me, Julius, sorry, good crowd because you raise an important a point. Orlando Pirates throughout the season, they've been playing Lepoli fast, where Orlando Pirates will be rushing things, scoring goals, because even when you look at the log, they are the highest scoring team. So how difficult was it going to be for Coach Wadu to change it, mhlawumbe, let's say in the game against Itepen City, because we saw it from there, Guti, ingathi barashizile, because I think it was you, Onkuleko, where he raised that point, Guti, they are rushing things in the final third, of which that is how they've been playing this season yonke. So how difficult was it going to be for Coach Wadu to change it, mhlawumbe like game Itepen City, or kule game namhlanje, okay boys, xa nifika kwi-final third relaxan, because that is not, I don't think ukuthi that is something that he's told them season yonke, because they've been rushing scoring goals. So ibizaba nzima kangakanani for Coach Wadu to change it mhlawumbe kwigame namhlanje okanye in the previous game against Itepen City?
Bezoba nzima forward mfethu. I mean, they've been scoring. I mean, everybody's scoring on the Pirates. They're not relying on Guma strikers, midfielders, wing back, which is this guy Bele. I mean, a top player this season for Orlando Pirates. We need to be. I think Upagamisile Sunday season yonke. Nabosema they score. So coach, I think it was going to be difficult. I understand. For the fact that Nimdlalisang Mbule from the word go. Uguya phambili. Udlalile okay. A City first round of the season.
Yes, yeah.
If you had a player like that, mhlawumbe noKabelo Dlamini whereby you can be composed. Mhlawumbe mangabe bafight him and Siphumbule. Bekuzoba nama moment whereby Pirates bezodlala ngama department whereby kunesikhathi whereby you relax, you control the tempo of the game and then you surprise opponent. But Shane today, I think akusiyo isikhathi to ukuraise lezo zinto. Mina nje sibe neVAR.
Sure.
I mean mina nami I will raise my hands, compliment to Orlando Pirates. I mean, congratulations, Shane. I mean, well done to Wadu.
Yeah.
Well done to the players. Though I don't think it's one of the best games, Orlando Pirates. Nali game in Itepen City. Similar the type of game is just today. I think bathole nje ama-goal, which is bafaki pressure. Nale goal number 2 can't falter Orlando Pirates. Pirates, they put pressure. But truly speaking, ilo idlale njenge-GDL team. It's like Abu Panama. Lama team adlala iGDL ngikhuluma ngo-Obit. You can't say you're fighting for a 50 million status and then you play the way you play.
Kuloo ndawo ukuthi xa ubajongile namhlanje, did you see a team that is fighting for its survival? Case in point, there was a game in England between Arsenal and West Ham, where West Ham bafika izembe, they played the game of their life. That game had to be decided by VAR in the 97th minute. Namhlanje xa ujonge i-Obit, did you see a team that was fighting relegation?
Mina ngikhala nge-structure mfethu, like i-structure sabo, how they defend. They were lucky just ukuthi Pirates ayitholanga nje namhlanje. I mean uMreme bekanebhola lethepini lapha.
Murray should have scored a hat-trick.
Simple. Ilento engihlale ngisho, you can't compare uMreme nabo Apolis. Ingcondo, you can have energy, speed, power on your feet. Ingcondo ibrain mawunganayo. I mean, it's pointless. I mean the boy le bhola malithola urile let's go. Okay, noma ngabe bakanimista, but uMreme watholile na C1. Finish lela bhola it's a goal. You understand? Nenye decision making nje makumele just pass omunye umntana ama-play Pirates I think nabo they need to learn this. I mean bebangayiluza le game if ababakoralanga i-Obit ukuba selfish Maskorile, I mean, just when you pass your teammate, like usibelebele kule angle lebe ngakuye second half. Just cross the ball mfethu. And it's a goal sekhoneni. I mean, you pass teammate yakho siyakora sekhoneni.
You said, Junior, Uguti, today is not the day to talk about ezinye negative aspects of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
But Mna Junior, I will say it, Uguti, there is no right time or a wrong time to talk about its selfishness.
Yeah.
Because as our own goal, if Mesingeko, we will be talking, Uguti, Muremi should have passed. Muremi should have scored that ball. So, izinto zinjalo wena Junior, especially with game because these guys have been sharing the ball throughout the season.
Yeah.
Now come the final important game where it's not about you. It's all about the team. Yonke la effort benifaka throughout the season. Now is the time ukuthi nibheke bank and withdraw. Yonke labantu benifaka throughout the season. Now you want iGlory to be about yourself. So Leo Junior, I will bracket you. Did you know? There's no right time or wrong time to talk about this selfishness.
No, in South African football as a whole, when the team win,
Yeah.
irrespective of how they win, Shaizandla. I mean, that's what we say. All I'm saying, I mean, I'm looking at they're going to Champions League Orlando Pirates.
Next season,
True.
yeah.
Champions League, whereby with slightly mistake, you're out of the picture.
And next season is going to be one of the shortest seasons because next year, 2027 is AFCON.
Yeah, it's AFCON and it's over more competitive because Sundowns, I think they lost after Iskate City after 9 seasons.
Yeah.
I think now they want to come, that they will want to win all the games. And the Pirates, they are defending champions. So looking at the bigger picture,
yeah.
we understand. I'm talking on the bigger picture, but in today's game, well done to all of the Pirates, but not one of the best game. Like I need to be honest. But players, managers were compliment to put pressure. I mean the body language compared to game at Devon City. I mean, compliment the body language. Mhlambe kungaba amanye ama elements whereby selfishness.
Yeah.
Decision making, and I'm a player Pirates. I think experience you can't buy it. They need to mix Scott Sabo next season. They need to bring 4-5 experienced players, especially in the midfield, at the back, and also there up front. They need to get top strikers are experienced.
Let's talk about the man of the match, namhlanje, uSimphiwe Silepe. I know Guti.
Silepe?
Yeah, he was the man of the match, namhlanje. I saw him in a scale.
Yeah, indaba iwinile ona mhlambe sibelebele.
Yeah, because when the Siaglo point, Guti, even to the studio, we were talking about it. Okay, Sibelebele is having a good game,
Yeah.
but it was Usilepe. And I saw some glimpses of him because even last week there was a lot of criticism, and not Kuye per se, but timing up coach Amsekona in the 29th game of the season where he didn't play his season.
Yeah.
Okay, now good game number 29, and also Namhlanje started, and then Namhlanje I think he repaid the coach La Faith by giving that performance. What did you make of Usilepe?
Amanye ama team they are so influential in terms of coach. Mhlambe identify tell whoever that ndoda nika lo muntu man of the match. Truly speaking, mhlambe umfana there's nothing wrong yena mabamniki chance.
Yeah.
Akusi problem yakho ukuthi akadlala ngesizini yonke. Yena as a professional player will raise the hands and go to the field. The match fitness last week, even today's game, udlale ngama moment man. The pitches, uvelile wangaveli. I mean, truly speaking angibonanga that man. I saw Mbatha. Mina would give Mbatha mhlambe noma ngabe eliminated but last 5 minutes bebam 5-10 minutes bebam keeper. You give man of the match Mbatha. I mean, mina man of the match today's game Mbatha Sibelebele. Nalo mfana usema. Okay, abam challenge much, but I mean the boy to be solid there, simplify things, never get carried away, to lead there at the back. I mean, lo mfana lo noma ngabe everybody was going up front, he seated there. Ngoba Pirates they were chasing goal, wanting winner the game by all means. Leadership. I mean, to simplify. I mean, mina bengizomnika mfethu lo mfana. Between these 3 players, that's for me. And this boy, I'm sure they want to use him next season. They're trying to lift. I mean, Pirates is a big team. They're very so I'm sure Nomfana is Kutaz. But truly speaking, I mean, I never saw Pirates winning this league. Sundowns they are themselves to blame. I mean, losing Chess Galaxy. I never saw Pirates winning this game, especially Obit. I know Obit is weaker players, but now Makoye, the coach, is himself to blame. They're going to straight away relegation zone. Melas blame. I mean, there's a boy which is Temiko Sissoko. Yes, siyayibonga la idea, but effect imele ngilring. But risk too much. But bakembule too much team yabo. I mean, you cannot play with this. EPSL needs 50 million. You need experienced players. Quality experienced players. There are players that bring along. sengikhuluma nange-goalkeeping department, 2 centre back, here in the midfield. Ngiyabona basayina uKapinga bekagcineni ukudlala. I don't have a problem bringing Kapinga, but there are players that they were mobile currently ebeba-release nje isizini mayiphela okanye bebadlala kwamanye ama-team. Unfortunately, bewa-compete against the best. Just bring them or ask for loan players. You understand ukwadlalisa. So nanamhlanje ukuqalisa this boy Khotso. I mean, I know i-team yakhe nje yonke ayikho balance, but this boy I'm sure there was a different bekangaletha lo mfana lo.
Oh, you mean if he started because he came in
Yes,
second
because
half, yeah.
I mean besekunebhetli nje ngale, not to say good khona into ayenzile because isikhathi sincane, but mfethu Shane kumele ngini-compliment mfethu. Pirates isizini throughout yonke. I mean mina was the one say yes, one of the best team, but through the experience, I mean idlala indima enkulu ngoba ama-players wenu now today, especially njengayo Police was not himself.
Junior, before Sival, which has sneaky signal good Sival. Last week there was a big talk about Urele Mfukeng and also Apolis quick game last week against Durban City, where we said throughout the season these are the players that have carried Orlando Pirates from game number 1, won the MTN8 for Orlando Pirates, won the Carling for Orlando Pirates, but now Orlando Pirates needed them the most last week against Durban City, and there were question marks around the performance. Again today, a big game, an important game for Orlando Pirates. Also, question marks around the performance yabo namhlanje. How would you rate the performance yabo, Junior? Last week was big games Balayo against Durban City and also namhlanje against the Orbit, Urele Mfukeng and also Apolis. Did they live up to the expectations? Were they the players as you carried on the Pirates from the first game up until game number 30?
Shane is nature of South Africa, honestly speaking. Players that they rise in the occasions are special, talented players. I'm not saying we're really special, talented. But in thing I think he's got unenkinga nje ne character. Kune-drive ne-character, like inhliziyo. And not to say he can improve. Look at the age. And I guess some nigga based on his age. Yeah, but some nigga that umfana ngoba une-support food structure from the development. Siphinde enye into simfake lo 7 omncane, but the boy, there's a bright future ahead of this boy. Shane asikhulumeni var kune-bright future, kune-age. Mhlambe singamnika benefit of the doubt and say really okay, asimnika another 2-3 season. The boy, I'm sure makafika labo 2024-25 uzoba kwenye level. But truly speaking is in South Africa isn't so. When you go to Europe, you know, Shane, players that the high profile they are gonna expectation gibo. I'm talking about Abu Messi, Neymar, whoever, Cristiano Ronaldo. The list goes on. Bernardo Silva, Kevin De Bruyne, they rise up to the occasions. La kuna expectation. Ngoba kusile game phela la ukhuluma ngawo Durban City and stuff. Kuna game Abu Dhabi, bo Champions League, where it matters more, they're not showing up. Bavezi isandla. We understand. And ama players that bonga ubheka ngabo talent bar and stuff, and then they raise isandla because of the character. So kune jive njenga South African players, and ile nto le mina engayifunda ngikhula. Coaches, when they develop players, they really do these things. I'm 1v1, 2v2 to create that strong character. You understand? And a small small-sided, one touch. Yes, several times so that players can develop touchy bodies capacity. And South Africa, I think, lot of has overlooked. And as in when it comes here, it matters most. But these two players take nothing away from them. Shane, especially Zandla. I mean, really, first season, one young player of the season.
Second season.
One a senior player there. Second season, a content of player of the season.
Also footballer.
You understand? And even a police, mina magayo Pirates, mina ngemtawuthile, true. Mina I won't lie. Because of into bengizibuza yona ukuthi kanjani you go to SuperSport, you can't rise development, go to the senior side. Whereby there's a proper structure, there's coaches abanye ngoba development structure SuperSport by then bekhona ama top class coaches. The coach ku TTC esikhukhune ku Celtics Mayutumi, a brother of mine Lazibol. He was a coach of TTC by then, under 19. You understand? Uroko lo wine a coach, DTC coach ko Orlando Pirates. He was a DTC coach ku SuperSport. So ngizibuzile ukuthi kanjani angarise azafike le. Yabo ngoba bokwanele cop the way there as well. So well done to mfana like ukuthatha second chance kahle wa police, but honestly nayo khona into azoyiwina. I mean iBetway Premiership, these are two players masikhuluma izandla iVarshin, they compete now with Tibza, they compete nabo Jaden Adams. Honestly, these are two players mhlambe Alende. They compete nabo Nuno K Santos naye nama moment nje, but one of the best talent is late to South African football, but they compete with those two players, so I think they deserve awards compared to Premiership. But Pirates especially izandla Shane, congratulations mfethu win 20 meter abafana sicela nje bo enjoy but basiphathe kahle. I mean akusi end of the road ama players awukoleti umuntu ukhamula. I mean mangithi ukhamula sabanida next season. My they going to the World Cup, this is only the beginning for Orlando Pirates. Who knows, they can win the league several times. Ukuziphatha nje kahle, this is supposed to a learning curve. Pirates won, but truly speaking they never scored 2 goals. A goal that been scored by Obit. But the Pirates fakile pressure, but they need to learn going forward. They need to maintain this. Into kumele they need to sit down and khuluma technical team and look at things such as this. If njoba singakoranga la, if abaskorelanga, what more needs to be done? And certain position made us add certain players. Pirates then and players as well. They still need them. But Pirates players, especially Jizandla, Bonge, whoever participated this season, well done to Pirates.
Thank you so much. That's Junior Kanye, and giving also a word of advice to the players. Good, okay, we are going to off season. Niziphathe kahle and not this issue. Niziphathe kahle nani mamabukeli bethu siyambe nani season yonke, but mhlawumbe sawacha amazo ombulelo ngomso because there's a big game tomorrow in Morocco where Mamelodi Sundowns are looking to repeat what they did go 2016. That was 10 years ago. Bafuna Uwina, the second star. But namhlanje, Mbombela Stadium, they sold out Mbombela Stadium. Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.